Here at Cavalier Homes, we have over 170 home designs to choose from. Whether you're looking for a modest first home for just yourself or a spacious family home with room for you and the kids to grow. We currently have 50 of our design series on our website, which is just cavalierhomes.com.au, that you can look through and start forming an idea of the designs you like. Starting with the facades. The front design of the home comes in a variety of styles, colours and sizes. Attached to each of these is at least one floor plan, usually 3 or 4, and a list of the bedrooms, bathrooms and garage spaces they all have. To make browsing easier, you can filter your design preferences at the top. For example, we typically build single-storey homes across the Goulburn Valley, and you might be looking for 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and 2 garage spaces. We have a variety in each size or category, but if a facade design you like doesn't suit your plan, we can customize all the designs for you. Once you find one you like, head over to our Display Homes 3D Virtual Tour section, where we currentently have 23 of our popular designs that have been built all across Australia, for you to explore from the comfort of your own home. The Inglewood 43 and the Velina 30 are our current display homes in the Goulburn Valley. You're welcome to check out the tour videos on our YouTube or TikTok, or come visit us at 7 Creeks Estate, Shepparton, open 7 days a week. We look forward to helping you find your unique home design. Have a great day!